Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. It seems these days that about over half of what we do these days is drip irrigation. We're converting everything to drip irrigation. This is Manhattan Beach, California, and I wanted to give you an insider's look, middle of the job. You don't have an opportunity to really see that, and just kind of describe to you exactly what was wanted. Now, the clients here about a year ago had a landscape design drawn up. They had a lot of things going on in their lives, and then they decided, let's pull the trigger, let's get this thing done. But a year ago, the drought wasn't as, the consciousness of the drought wasn't as bad as it is today. But there's one thing they decided. They still want their lawn. And so we're going to install a marathon lawn here, regular fescue grass. That's the kind they want. I'm not here to judge, I'm just here to get results. But the results that we get you are going to save you water, and so what we're doing with this lawn is we actually yesterday installed this product. It's called the Rainbird Copper Shield Technology Drip Irrigation. Here's what it looks like, and this is a small piece of it, but there's a little strip of copper in it. Every 12 inches this tubing has emitters. So yesterday we laid this entire line full of this drip. Built a grid here. So right next to concrete, we put this in about 2 or 3 inches deep, and then we moved over 12 inches and we put another one, and we put another one, we put another one. We rototilled it in. So it's all done. Now we're putting the clean outs, the RVs. We're going to work on the filters, get the proper filtering done. And then what's interesting about this job is they already had established Diamondia. That's a ground cover, very drought-tolerant ground cover right here. So as you can see, we actually had to dig in and splice in. We're going to pretty it up, but here's the Rainbird Copper Shield Technology drip irrigation right there. So this Diamondia is going to fill back in. And then we put a clean out in this, so a year from now, they'll be able to come by, open up the valve, and let any impurities that bypass the filter just flush out. Every drip irrigation system should have a clean out. It'll ensure that you're going to get years and years of life out of your system of effective drip irrigation. So, and then over here we've begun the process. You can see in the plant, so grass is going to grow right here. And then we've already put the lines down for the planters. These are planters, obviously. We've also replaced the overhead sprays with drip irrigation. And then we're putting this, what we call deco bark down. So this deco bark is going to, what's going to happen is it not only looks beautiful, it's going to help to suppress weeds, and also it gets eaten up. It's food for the soil. The whole goal of soil is to create a living soil, and that's what this is going to do. So it has multiple uses, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. So also too, wanted to make mention that this yard, it's not just about laying a bunch of gravel down to save grass. It's about enjoying a quality of life, an amazing quality of life. Your quality of life is in direct proportion to the beautiful surroundings that you have. You can have the Mojave Desert, or you can have a lush tropical-like paradise that uses very, very little water. That's what we're about. If you want more information, contact us. Our website is www.enviroscapela.com. This is Mike from Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.